Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video about the incident that happened at workplace. I was replacing this Motorola device battery, and I actually put it a little bit of rubbing alcohol just to to get the adhesive loosened, but I used this metal thing. I always use it, but this time I don't know what happened. It just caught fire. It got fire, and then all of the places actually was so smoky, and the batteries is actually all gone, as you can see here. It's But I already so what I did, I had removed the battery, and I had removed actually the motherboard off of it. So motherboard is intact, it's not damaged or nothing like that. As soon as I tried to remove the battery, that's what happened right there. And as you can see, the floor is actually got messed up as well. Luckily I had this sand here, so I put it in like this, and then and it actually stopped the fire. So just wanted to make a quick video and tell you that you guys have to be very careful while doing the battery replacement. And it can happen. The batteries are so easy to catch fire. Always very careful about it. And it just happened. I think I made a video about the other iPhone as well, which I can show you right here. You can see. So these needs to be taken very seriously, and try not to actually use any of the metal tool while doing it. It's yeah, and I'm glad that I was here and I had this tool, this sand as well, where actually it actually helped us to stop it. Otherwise that would have been so much crazy. Yeah, at this point, two things: don't panic. If it catches fire, just be very calm and collective, and try to control that. And second, never use any metal tools, especially on these Motorolas. They are very easy to catch fire. I just wanted to make a quick video and tell you, hey, this is what happened there. So you guys be very careful, and if you like this video, subscribe, and I will have more information. I have got more stories to tell, so subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.